Previously on Trio.
So, for example, this is...
Last time on Trio, we were blown away at the selection and prices of the French food for sale in the St. Martin grocery stores. We spent a day at the world-famous Mayho Beach, where planes and jumbo jets land and take off just 100 feet from sunbathers. Then in a rented car, we took a road trip around the island, sharing some of the great view spots and beaches St. Martin has to offer. And finally, a provisioning trip to cost you less had Saltaire 3 stocked and ready to make her way south down the Leeward and Windward Islands for Grenada. This time on Trio, Cole and Brad dinghy out to see some crazy mega yachts at Simpson Bay. We take in St. Martin's Carnival parade with our friends from the Catamaran Sandy Feet, and an easy hike up to the fort rewards us with a spectacular view over Marigot Bay.
So, me and Dad are just in the dinghy and we're taking a look around, going for a little bit of an explore before it gets too dark, and we came across this weird beetle. That's awesome.
It's got pedals, you can take it wherever you want to go, and then you stop and you go for a slide.
That's pretty sweet. So once again, me and my dad are exploring around in the dinghy, and we see this rich guy, he's got, a submarine.
You've heard of a mega yacht? This is a mega submarine.
It's way out there, it's so cool.
What is that?
I'm gonna say it's a submarine. Nah, it's just too cool.
What is that?
That is too cool. How deep do you think the draft is?
That is a crazy looking boat.
I want to know what it's called, what the name is. It's like
There's an A on the back, that's it. Letter A.
they're tender. Well, one of them. A for Atlantis.
You're one lucky kid. I'm one lucky guy that we get to come out and see this kind of stuff.
I've never seen a boat like that. And then there's little boat for us in our dinghy. That's cool.
Hey guys, we're heading to Philipsburg. We're in St. Martin on Cool Bay. We're gonna catch the bus. Flag the bus down this way. So we just gotta wait till we see one and flag it down. We got some errands and run around to do. Gotta get our computer fixed for one thing. So here's the one to Philipsburg. Let's go get on, son.
Buses on St. Martin are cheap. They're easy to find, easy to catch, and the routes take you just about anywhere you might need to go.
Thank you. Hey guys. How you doing? Good.
I love going on buses that you have no idea where they're going.
So when we get to a new country, we usually buy a SIM card with talk and data for our unlocked iPhone. With a SIM card and a data plan for the country we are in, we can upload back on the boat. It's still quite slow with 2G to 3G service, but at least we can do it overnight. In St. Martin, you can travel back and forth between the two countries as you please. This convenience for locals means they need a dual SIM phone and a SIM card for each country, one French and one Dutch. Being anchored on the French side, we chose to purchase only one, a French SIM card for our iPhone. It's all you really need.
So my family's trying to find me a new hat, and these are the ones that they're picking out for me. I don't know. Fedora style? Alright, let's try it on.
Indiana Jones.
Is it? Do I look like Indiana Jones? Cool?
Better.
Better. You like that?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
You think it's nice? There's a mirror.
Maybe a little higher for me, it's tall.
Yeah.
Try it on to see what it looks like. Maybe it'll be surprisingly good. You look like,
Crocodile Dundee.
yeah.
Oh, big swell, hold on.
It was carnival time on the island. We were on our way up the channel, across the lagoon to catch a bus on the Dutch side to the carnival parade in Philipsburg.
So what are we doing today, gang?
We are going to see a parade. It's called Carnival Parade, I think, right?
Yeah, it's
Carnival Parade, St. Martin.
On
And
the
we're
Dutch
going
side.
with our friends off Sandy Feet. They're right behind us. Say hi, guys! All right. We get through the bridge here, and then we'll fire it up.
nice word.
I told them that you were kidding. I said, you're kidding.
Yeah, I bet, right?
The bus dropped us as close as he could to the action, but we're still not quite sure where it starts. Follow the music, he said.
Wow, they know how to party in St. Martin, let me tell you. Woo! And the bass was insane, right? Wow. Woo-hoo.
Yeah, you scored on the hat. Oh, you got a cool hat. It's like being at a rock concert.
So now we're gonna go see if we can track down a bite to eat.
So, barbecue action after the parade.
So it's wet and rainy and we've tried two taxis, or not taxis, two buses. First two were packed. Chris is trying this one, this is the third one. Looks like we're getting on. Whoa, what is that packet? It looks, that reminds me of the Wizard of Oz. And it's packing wind, I can feel it. So that's just a nasty looking squall. The leading edge of it, it's moving super fast and it looks like it should be twirling. Crazy. And the wind is completely shifted. When we anchored, we were pointed that way. Now we're pointed south. All right, here it comes. It's gonna get nasty any second now. Oh, oh! I thought that was lightning for a second. Oh, you feel how cold that wind is? It's just a couple minutes later, and now we're completely to the north. Oh boy.
It's going crazy. 20 knots now.
We're gonna have a test of our anchoring skills because we're on a lee shore now. There's the shore. Oh, we're spinning like crazy. Look at us go. Wow, that is nasty looking. The only good thing is it looks like there's an end to it and it's gonna disappear.
Oh, it's so cold.
That is cool, cool wind.
It's kind of a rainy, stormy night in St. Martin here. And the boys are out scrubbing the boat, taking advantage of the rain, because our boat's been quite dirty. And I'm working on dinner. One of my favorite things to do when we travel is to take advantage of the cool things that you can cook. So tonight, since we are in one of the French islands, I'm making duck breast. 2 of them should do it for all 3 of us. It's gonna be a nice treat, and the boys are working hard scrubbing the deck out there. So when they come in, they'll have hopefully a yummy dinner. Should be good. It's a 3-burner stove, but I only end up using 2 burners because the pans are too big otherwise. So I'll let you know how it turns out. Should be yummy. So I've got the duck going here. Gonna have some steamed carrots and broccoli and some rice. And then duck. I've got a little bit of brown sugar, soy sauce, some fresh garlic, and some sesame oil in the pan. So I'm just going to sear the side that has all the fat, and hopefully it'll get nice and crispy on that side. Should be good. Stay tuned. So here it is, the final product. Duck breast, rice, and broccoli and carrots. We're doing a little day hike in Marigot up to Fort Louis, to the top. It's quite steep, really. I don't know how many steps, but anyway, good way to stretch your legs after being on the boat for a couple days. We're with our buddy boat on sandy feet. Almost at the top. Pretty awesome view. We've been in Marigot, St. Martin for, I guess it's 4 weeks tomorrow, and tomorrow's we're gonna leave. Feels kind of weird. I don't think we really want to leave, but we gotta keep making our way south in time to get into the safety of Grenada for hurricane season. But we're meeting more and more people going the same way as us. This is the top of Fort Louis, Marigot Bay, St. Martin. And you can see the Dutch side on the other side of that little mountain. Inside is the lagoon. It's a really cool spot. BVIs are that way. Anguilla is on the horizon, about 5 miles that way.
Hey everybody, we're in St. Martin getting ready to go to do passages south, and we're gonna fuel up, but we're waiting our turn. Kind of sucks. We've been waiting for a long time.
It's a perfect day to do it. It's so calm.
Because this week we're going to go to Statia, and it's going to be a little bit more difficult, I think, to get fuel on the way down. So it's nice and easy here in this canal.
Crazy.
Look at it, says zero knots of wind, 0.1, 0.2. It is so calm here today.
Completely around. That was actually really cool.
It was neat the way it went all the way around. Did a whole spin. There it goes again.
Okay, looks like it's our turn. The cat in front of us is getting off the dock so we can make our way in.
And I'm taking the stern, or
Yeah,
vice versa.
I'll take the bow.
Wait. Get it, buddy?
Yeah, thanks.
Why are you trying it like this?
I don't know.
Tight squeeze. turning on a dime. It's not a wide channel.
With one engine in forward and one in reverse, a catamaran can turn on its own radius.
It's the beauty of no wind, hey?
And a catamaran.
And a catamaran. It's like having bow thrusters. Back to our spot for a few more days.
The anchor bridle attracts sea growth and smells really fishy, so occasionally we gently power wash it clean just before hauling up.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, Cole.
Oh, guess what we're doing?
What are you doing?
Well, that's it for this episode of Trio Travels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and never miss an episode of our continued catamaran sailing adventure. Next time in Trio, we're sailing south for the volcanic islands of the Leeward Island chain. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all the great comments and the thumbs ups. And a special thank you to our biggest Patreon supporter yet. Thanks, Anthony. And thanks to all our patrons and all our subscribers. Till next time. On Trio.
Gotta kick tires, like fire. Give me that.
Oh, wait, I like to get past the dinghies here so I don't swamp them.